Rider Japan, welcome. Right, back on the R1 today. My front brake lever is not flashing the brake lights, so I'm suspecting a little switch in there. It's like a little plasticky little box, and it's stuck in the wrong position or whatever. Anyway, something going on. I'm going to change it. I think that'll fix it. So I'll show you how to do that. So by pumping the rear brake pedal, if your lights are flashing, that confirms that the bulbs are okay, and it's highly likely that this little switch is your problem. So let's take it out. This is a quick, easy job. So if you're new to working on bikes, this is a nice little job to do. It's a cheap part, and it's quick and easy to swap out. So you get a little bit of experience fixing things on your bike, and you'll get that satisfaction and save yourself money. It's a nice little endeavor. So anyway, let's figure out how to get the switch out. Okay, so I will recommend taking your switch out of your bike first and having a proper look at it before ordering your new one, unless you're just going to go for what the manufacturer codes and stuff and just get exactly what comes for your bike from the manufacturer. I just bought like a cheapy aftermarket one, and they do differ a little bit. They all look very similar with these two like spade connectors and the little plasticky square switch on the side, but the shape of them does change a little bit. So I bought mine. Some of them were more blocky, more square. I was looking for one with a rounded corner. So that's what I've got. So yeah, take it out, have a look, so you order the correct one. So yeah, that piece goes up there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the screen, but it sits up there. So I'll show you exactly how to take it out. Okay, so removing it, you can see that nut there. That's for the brake lever. Don't touch that. There's a screw, like crosshead screw, just beyond it there. Tapping on it now. That's what we need to loosen to get this screw out. And it's awkward, yeah? I can't, even with a stubby screwdriver, I just can't get onto it. So that needs to be out the way. I can loosen that with those two screw heads, but the cables, throttle cables, are already almost touched in suspension, so I won't be able to really move it down out of the way that much. So my best option is to move my lever up. Doing that here, look, just loosen these two hex, look like 8 mils. Just loosen those, won't even remove it, I'll just loosen it and tilt it up. Oh, that one's really loose. There's it. So that isn't moving up. Okay, right. It's attached to the brake fluid reservoir. Obviously not going to start detaching that. It's obviously not going to start detaching the hoses to that. But the little pot is just screwed to the top yoke. So let me just remove that pot, and then the whole thing should be able to tilt up. Steering to the left. Give me a bit of space. Oh, that was easy as well. A lot of things have come loose. I need to double check all the fastenings on this bike. That was unusually loose as well. Okay. There we go. So the whole thing can move now. Need a short screwdriver. This one's a bit extreme, but I've only got normal and then this. This removes the switch, but you might be able to see the plugs on there. So obviously pull those off, and then that's disassembly completed. Brown and a green with yellow stripe. Brown one is closest to the little switch there. Oosh. Oosh. So it works there. There you go. That's the problem of mine, that switch just stays in. Basically, the brake here, when you're driving around, that's pushed in, and then when you pull your lever in, it actually opens up. So that is the brake lights on, that's the brake lights off. So my switch is staying in, that's the problem with it. Okay, cool, so that confirms that was a problem. Get my new one, put this in. Might be easier to plug it in now. screw goes through that hole, and a bit awkward to see. There it is. Tighten it up. It's only a flimsy little bit of plastic, I ain't got to be on there like mad. Right, before we go any further, let's test it. This video, yeah, is my first monetized upload. So I'm on my best behavior from now on. Do not say fuck or bugger. Okay, that's on. Okay, let's put my steering back. Tighten this up. I want it a bit lower than what I had it. I've been riding my FJ around. Actually coming up a year. It's September now, yeah, and I haven't used this bike since last November, so a long time. But anyway, I'm used to the FJ, and the levers are quite low, so that felt a bit high to me. Anyway, let's put this on. Steel bolt into aluminium parts, yeah, don't go crazy. Feels good. Yeah, I'll do. All right. Okay, so if you watch this video and got instructions to do this job yourself, if you're new to working on bikes, you can't go too far wrong, it's an easy one. But my only advice really would be just be gentle on aluminium parts and plastic parts as well. If you're tightening something up and you hear a big crack or crunch, you've caused yourself a problem. You've got more work to do. Yeah, cool, so this channel's monetized now, so don't forget to click like and subscribe. Become a member, send super chats, loads of ways to send me money now.